So let's start. I hope you can see me. I will check this. Give me 5 minutes. Let's check if this is coming or not. If you see something, let's start. Okay, you can see nothing. Then I will look. I will cancel. So let's start the second time. I hope you can see me. Let's check. Please write in the comment field if you see the screen and the voice. Hi together. Do you see me? Let's check if you see me or not. Okay. Let's. The screen is a little bit old, so let's see if. Okay, now you can see me. Okay, let's start with the Bitcoin price. Then we can look to your requests, or should we look directly to the requests? What is your wish? First, first Bitcoin, or should we look to the cryptos? What you request? What is your wish? Write in the comment field so that I can listen. Okay, first Bitcoin. Okay, let's start with the Bitcoin price. You can see Bitcoin test this level here. You can see the first time here, the second time here. Um, it is negative. Sorry to say that because it is negative. I cannot lie here. The reason is this cycle is coming to the end, and we have the situation here also that we tested so much. Look, first time, second, third time, fourth time, the five time. And this cycle comes to the end. And you can see this really clear. Here, you can see the sell-off. Yeah, in short, the price goes from 71,000 to 69,000. These are 2,000. This is a left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And if we zoom in, you can see it's also negative. This is a inverse. Yeah, this is an inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And I expect that the price will break down here. Yeah. They can manipulate a little bit to higher levels, but I think this time is over. That means the price will go here to the downside. Let's say, okay, they manipulate and say, okay, um, the downtrend or the retest level was this. Here. Then we can argument, okay, we can stay here on these levels. You can see the red line is a retest and say, okay, in big, this is a left shoulder head on the right shoulder formation. Yeah, in big. But this is too few. If you look to this is not symmetric. If you make this line here, this is this area here is never the same like this area. And that's the reason why we not can say, okay, now the uptrend is coming and we will go here to the upside. In the history, often we saw that first the sell-off is coming. Yeah, the sell-off is coming. And after the sell-off, the big bull run starts. And this was, we saw this in the history many times. I can give you an example. If you look here, let's look to the history back. What kind of information you see here? You can see the sell-off here from 6,000 to 3,000. Yeah, and then the price is going up. You see the sell-off here is also the case. This is interesting. If you look to this, also here you have a short sell-off. Yeah, let's look here. You have a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation. And look please to this. Yeah, you have here the situation. We test this 3 times and here again. But here's a little bit different. You have here a new cycle. Please look very exactly to this. Yeah, you have here also left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. But the difference is you have here a new cycle that is born here. So this is not the same. This is a good example. This is not the same. It's also a left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation, but this is a start formation. But you see the retest level here, this here. Yeah. This is also the case that the price is dropping here. Yeah. And that means how much is this? 12,000 to 9,000. Also, nearly 30% is going down. 30% is going down. Yeah. And after the 30%, the price rise like a rocket to the upside. Yeah, you see the examples, the price have to go here to the downside. Let's look to the current situation. Here, you have also left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation, but the difference is this is not the start formation, this is the ending formation. In the ending formation, you see here the double top here and here, and you have to go here to the downside. The price have to drop, and after the dropping, um, the Bitcoin Club members have the exact information how much the price will drop and how much then the price will rise. Yeah, so that you can make short and go long. Yeah, so that you can make money. Also, the people from the Bitcoin Club have the information what will happen long term. Yeah, if you look to the chart, this is a wonderful chart. Look here. We see here the left shoulder, the head, and where's the right shoulder? The right shoulder is not here. And if the wells start here to make the right shoulder, it will go a little bit bloody. Yeah. Problem is that that many people look to the upside, but you see we have here huge plays to the downside. Also, people from the Bitcoin Club have this information, and they know, okay, we have not so much, or I will not say that we're going here to 30,000, but they have here the information what will happen, and then they can play with long and short and so on. This is the current situation at the Bitcoin price. It is, in my eyes, short term negative, but long term, that we're not so much negative. Long term, I see Bitcoin price here that you're not disappointed that the focus is here in direction of 100,000. This will happen here. The 100,000 is coming. It is clear, but before the big uptrend to the upside, yeah, here negativity will come. Also, but the 100,000 will happen, I think, in near term. Yeah, maybe end of this year, maybe next year beginning. Let's look. So we're looking here to Omikami. Let's look and start. I hope we can find this. It's looking very bad because I cannot find this here. So we're going to the next, I think. Maybe you can write me the short name, then we can look. Let's look here to the next. Jasmine is very interesting. So, oh, okay, interesting. 003, like what I predicted. So let's look here to this. What kind of information you see at Jasmine? You can see we touch this so many times here. One, two, three. Do you really believe that then after this the price of Jasmine will go higher? I think no, but we have then look to the short term. So for me it's over the uptrend, but now we have to look here more in detail. Then we see here structure. We can start from here. Look, we start exactly from here and go through this chart. So what you see here is the left shoulder hat. The right shoulder formation is not finished. Yeah, this is active. You can see. Let me look what we have here. So for us is this important. This is the last cycle here. The last cycle begins here, goes from here to here. So what information we have here? Let me look. Oh, bad. Very bad. The problem is we have here a W pattern. Look here. Do you see this? And the W pattern can go until 005. Yeah. So here to 005 is potential, maybe 0055, but I see really not the case that the price will go more than this. Yeah, you can see here I calculate with that more I see not. So this is absolute negative. Yeah, you can say okay, I risk this, yeah, and then 001, but even this is not clear. Yeah, so if I look this 005, then not more. But it's a good candidate to short. Yeah, so I see if the price go here to the downside, then the price will drop here to 003, 0029 levels. Yeah, so maybe you can take this here as your profit. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next. What we have here. Okay, maybe we can find this. So exotic names. Okay. One of this is dusk. Okay. Oh, wonderful. Look how beautiful is that here. Let me look. Okay. Then we zoom out. Wow, this is very good. This is getting interesting. So, you can see here a wonderful structure, a big W pattern here. And this W pattern is very active and very wonderful. Yeah. This W pattern will bring us to levels of €2 or $2. This is fact. Yeah, the price will go to $2. This will come. Yeah. Let's look short term. What will happen? Uh, what we have here. Also negative. You can see here the structure that is going down. Yeah, is total negative. It is not good here this year. Yeah. Let's look more in detail what we can find. So you have here a cycle that begins. Okay, and you have exact a cycle that I say this. I call this uh, a fragment, yeah, in this cycle. This is starting from here. So one alternative is that we say, okay, this is our W pattern here, and the uptrend is over, and the price will go here to 005953. Or we say, okay, this is a manipulation. The W pattern is manipulated, and it is over here. And that means the price have to drop to lower levels like this. Yeah. So I see more negativity. I would not go long here because this is too negative, and we have here also a lot of tests. Yeah, if you look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this will not hold. If this coming down, then we have negative cards. But on the other hand, this is so that we build here the right shoulder. So the negativity is coming, but I don't think that we drop here to these levels. This is not possible. What I see here is two possibility. One is go here to 0026. Yeah. In worst case, really, if they want the manipulation here, 009. But the effect is that we build that here, left shoulder hat, the right shoulder formation. Sometimes if a crisis or crash or something like that, yeah, the market go here very quick to the downside and then go to the upside. Yeah, such scenario is possible. If this is not possible, then we build here only the right shoulder. If you look here, make this blue and sit on the right shoulder and go from here to the upside. Yeah. And if we're looking here to the upside, let's look how far we can go. Yes, target is here really $2 and high. $2 is the not the end target. The $2 is the next target. You can see here left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. And if this play out, then I see here targets in direction of, let me look, the really end target is also the membership of end price target. What you see or what you get here if you are a member, the target is $6. Yeah, so that is clear that you can see this here, the chart. Um, Again, this kind of information you get in the volatile price target. Yeah, and exactly this members have this info have the members. So we're looking here at the next crypto. What we have here, Filecoin. Oh, this is your wish. Let me look what we have here. We have just me. We have. Let's look here to Dodge. Dogecoin. Okay. Let's look to the Binance. So my favorite is Dogecoin. The reason why my favorite is Dogecoin is that the Dogecoin chart is highly manipulated. Yeah, and if you see a chart that is highly manipulated, then you can be sure that the price of Dogecoin will fly. This is more um, a politic crypto. Yeah, so this is not a crypto in which we say, okay, good news and so on, and good company and so on. Yeah. So this crypto will fly. Let me look what we have here. First, you see here the left shoulder hat to the right shoulder for me. You see the right shoulder is manipulated to the downside. Let me look what we have here. Terrible. You can see this is the uptrend. Terrible because the uptrend. How can I describe this here? You can see the uptrend is here. The positive uptrend looks like this. Yeah. And this is the negativity you can see since May. People who have experience in chart trading have the information that the price will drop. So the next target is here, um, inverse left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation, it can happen that the price drop here to 0.10 cent. Yeah. Why? Because we have to test our base again. And from here, I calculate that the price will fly here in direction of 35 cent. This is the next level. If you look to this, you can see this. We have to test this again. So it's a good. This is no financial advice, yes, because the model can manipulate this. But if this is coming true and the price is going down, I think this is a good possibility to make cash. Yeah. So exact this information also Wolf next price target member, also Wolf at price target members get this. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next. You can write your wish in the comment field. Let's look to Filecoin. So this is also interesting. Yeah. So you can see here our right shoulder, but the problem here at the right shoulder here is that is not finished. If you look to this, we have here our uptrend, and if you look here more exactly, and you can see what kind of information you see here. This is our uptrend, and we test our uptrend and negative, highly negative, yeah. But I think if you look to this structure here, short term is negative, but long term positive. Calculate that the price drops here, something like that. I think Filecoin will test his lows again, something like that. And exactly this is a sign for the bull run here. Maybe you can see this better here. Exactly, this is a sign or signs of a bull run, because then you can see we have here over the years, here 2020, you see here 4 years later a double top, a double dip, yeah, and this is highly positive because then this structure here, what is an inverse left shoulder hand and the right shoulder formation, will turn to left shoulder hand and the right shoulder formation. That means the price will fly. So after the sell-off, I think I calculate with this, and then price will go here like that. You will this is too late. Yeah, you have maybe here the in this time frame, if the price comes down, the last opportunity to buy. Of course, they can stretch this a little bit. Let's look. Stretching, because if the price of Bitcoin drops, the price can go here to sideways, and then you will see something like that. We have here left shoulder hand and the right shoulder formation, and the next target here is, if we look, is high, because you can see the price drops here very hard. So I think the next target is 120. Then you have here this parabolic left shoulder hand and the right shoulder formation. And then it's getting interesting because people not believe that. If I predicted that, they would say you are crazy. But I not predict from my heart or from my feelings. No, I look to the chart and say, okay, this is the fact. And the fact here in this chart is that the price rising will go very high, because the chart is here very crazy. I calculate with 1,600, or something like that. It is crazy because the people today don't understand what will happen after 2, 3, or 4 years. Yeah, total different transformations will happen. Yeah, and maybe this is the next Microsoft or Tesla. But people not see this. But for us, it is clear if a hard structure, a good structure like this is built over the 4 years. Look here, 2019 or 20 to here. Then this is like a book. Yeah, you can read the book and you see, okay, oh, this is the story. Yeah, so and this is open. The book is open. Yeah, so and this is strong. It is strong. Let's look if they not manipulate the price, but let's look. Looking here to the next, let's look here to Bitcoin Cash. This was the request from one subscriber. Let's look if we can find here a better chart. Here, wonderful. Let's look. Here you can see the negative trend line. Wow, that is good. Look here. That is good. Look here. You can look with your own eyes. Yeah. Test here, break. Yeah. Let's look. The third test is sometimes a fake outbreak. Yeah, so that you say, okay, now I have to invest. Yeah, you invest here all your money, and then the price breaks down, and the whale's laughing to you. Yeah, so you be careful and calculate with a structure like this, and then the price goes to higher levels. Why I'm saying this? This year is highly dangerous if you see something like that here. Look here. This year and this year. If you see something like that, highly danger. If you're short, it's highly danger. Uh, if you go long, this is good. You have to laugh, yeah. But the problem is the timing. Yeah? If you exactly invest here and the price is going down, you lose a lot of money. You can see if you invest 10,000, this is 5,000. Then better invest here and see, okay, this is our right left shoulder, so that we go very hard to the upside to build the right shoulder here. And makes sense. Then we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and can sit here on these levels here. Look here. This is the area in which you have to stay. And then it makes sense that the price will break out. The next levels is 4,500. And this is crazy. If you see this here, this is left shoulder head. This is our head. Yeah. And then the price has the power. This chart has the power to go in direction of 10,000. It's built for 10,000. Yeah. So I think this is the next Bitcoin. Yeah. So very, very interesting. Let's look to Ethereum if you want. You can write this also in the comment field, you wish crypto, and we can look. So we're looking here to Ethereum. You can see the price is going here to 3,800. So let's look. So we are here. This is the Ethereum price. So the Ethereum price is positive. Uh, if you look to this chart, This is a different chart uh, as the Bitcoin price. Yeah, it's very interesting. If you look here to this chart, you have here a wonderful left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. And I think if I look to this, the next movement will happen like this, 5,000. The reason is here in big, the price stay exactly on these levels. Yeah, we're sitting here on these levels, and I think the next movement will go like this to the upside. Yeah. If we reaching here the $5,000, we can see we can sit on these levels here, and the chart has the uptrend like this. So I think, in my eyes, the price of Ethereum will reach $8,000. And you will see here 100% of your gains. Yeah. So, so let's look here to XRP. Okay. So at XRP, we have a problem in the chart. How can I describe this? How I can describe this? So we have here higher highs, absolute negative. We have here test, test here, and test here. And you can see from the rising, this level is lower, this level is higher, and this level is higher and higher. And this is if you make technical analyze, is absolute negative. Yeah, so if you see that the price is rising like this, and you have to calculate this angel. It means you have to, if the price goes or will go to higher levels, then we have to go again to the lower levels. Yeah. So I calculate that the price will drop midterm. Yeah. So that the price is coming to these levels. And then we can talk about the bull run and the price rising. Because in the past, it was every time the case that the price dropped 50%. That is what many people not understand or not will see this or not see. Yeah. So the price have to drop to these levels at 20 cent or for 90 cent. I think a shock wave. Yeah. So it will go very, very quick. Yeah. So you will not see here 60 days or 100 days that the price will go here to the downside. No, the price will go in 10 days very quick to the downside. Yeah. And from here, a wonderful bull run will start. Here you can see we see also the structure. This is our left shoulder. Our head is not here. So the head have to build here. Yeah. And then we can talk about the rising and flying to higher levels. I think next level is $3. From $3, the price is stable, sit here on these levels. And if you look to this, I think the prediction, what many people make, that the price will rise to higher levels will coming true because this chart tell us that the price will fly. No financial advice, yeah. The price has the range to go here to $20. Yeah. But if we're talking with XCP holders, they say here higher levels. But first, we see here $20. I think if we reaching the $20, it makes sense. Yeah, if you look here to the structure, if the price really goes to higher levels than in direction of $50. Yeah, that is clear. So we're looking here to the next. QNT is also good. But QNT is highly manipulated. You can see this very good here on the chart. Here. Normally we have to start the uptrend from here. Look here. A good uptrend looks like this. But you can see what happens. They manipulate this uptrend here to right. And that's the danger. You wait and nothing is happening. Yeah. And the bad information or the Z information here on this chart is that we have a highly negativity here. Look here. The chart is going extreme to the downside, and this here will not hold. That means highly danger, really. I would not, there's no financial advice, but I would never invest now at this moment because the structure is broke. Look here. Yeah. The benefit is, the benefit of this chart is if the price drops here, we're reaching $40. If coming very bad, then 26, because 26 is the level in which Quinty has here his low levels like XRP is 19 cent. If you can catch the Quinty price here, at least levels here, really $40 is good. If you can catch here at $26 is very good. Yeah. Then the benefit, I can say this to you, is that we can build here our hat. Look, do you see this hat? Left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. We can sit here on these levels. You can see the wonderful look here. Do you see this? Do you see this? Yeah. We can sit here, and the benefit is really the price is stable, and then look the massive movement that is coming. Look here. We can go here to high levels. We have here this form, and the next test is here on these levels here. Yeah. Do you see this? And then if we're talking about the bull run, then I see prices in direction of, let me look, 1,200 or 1,400. But you need time. Yeah, no, this is not an investment in which we say, okay, I invest now, and in 3 months the price is here. No, you see here the time frame. I calculate here really between 2025 and 26. Yeah, because the structure is here not so much. We need the time here to make this hat, so it will take time. But this is a good invest if you want sleep 2 years and then wake up here with 1,200. Best invest. So we're looking here to audio. Okay. I recommended for you the Wolf M price target or Wolf next target to look how far the price will go or how far you can short the price, because um, it is sometimes useful to look exactly to the charts. Yeah, not looking to news. News are all fake. Let's look here. Very good, because the reason why this is very good is that Audios has a good history. Yeah, so if you like a book, yeah, if you see this, very good, long term. Short term, negative, because if you look here exactly, wonderful this year is wonderful, but you can see what happens. Short term negative. But let's look here together to understand more. So let's look. You can see this. Look here. You have here a good formation. So I'm calculating with a rising of this price. That means the price have to go to higher levels. Yeah, but it can happen that we make a retest here. Let's look. I have to zoom out because the structure is very interesting. Let me look. You can see this. The structure is broke. Look here. You can see here the uptrend. Do you see this? And we are below the uptrend. And this is our channel. Look here. This is our channel here. Megaphone pattern. You can see the price breaks here down, make a retest. And what we can here see is the last retest can happen here. Yeah, you can see it break, test, test, second test, and then the price have to drop to the downside. Makes sense. We have here a negative structure. But after the negative structure, the sun will shine. You can see if we're coming down and test the low levels here, the benefit is we build then the right shoulder. Then it's getting interesting. Then you have to invest, not now. The price will fly because the uptrend, you can see the megaphone pattern, and then it's getting interesting here to build the really head here. So maybe you have here the opportunity or possibility to buy the last time. If we zoom in, then you can see end of the year is finished. I think then the really bull market will start after the negativity here, and then you can forget here to get in, yeah, because the price will fly very, very quick. So what I see, they can manipulate the price and the price will not go to higher levels. But if we analyze this and say, okay, the chart will, they will, uh, we will not see a huge manipulation, then I see the price rising in the direction of $7, $10. That is what I see. So, and again, the people today don't understand what will happen in these 2 years. Yeah? So the governments will accept and so on, cryptos and it. So you can read this and look what happens surround. Yeah, but I see a structure like this. Let's look here to ELV. I think my subscribers will all millionaires, so because they look into my channel. So because we look into the charts, so we're looking not to the news. So we're looking to the charts, what the charts tell us. So nobody can lie to us. Yeah? So also negative, you can see here we have a wonderful uptrend, but the uptrend is now retest, and this is danger. Yeah, so that is the point what I don't like. Yeah. So prepare yourself, really prepare yourself for the big drop. Again, I said this also before. Before the market goes to the upside, the 50% drop is coming. So you can see 47, we have 94, calculate here 50% drop. We are landing at 46. Make this, you can see left shoulder head to the right shoulder formation, and then the price can rise to 200. This is easy, yeah, because everybody wait for the bull run. Again, everybody sit, yeah, Twitter, Facebook, all the influencers. They say, okay, bull market start 100,000, yeah, Bitcoin. But in real, many of the people will sell the market players, and then the market will go higher. Let's look here more in detail. Let's look at what we have here. Look to this. So we have here a wonderful uptrend. What happens here? Problem is our structure is positive, but the performance, what we see here is negative. So even if we have here wonderful structures, also here, the whole construct here is negative. We have here wonderful positive structure. This is not the problem. The problem is here that we have here at the moment a situation that is fact negative. You can see the negative trend line goes from here. Yeah. So the next downtrend will definitely go lower than this. And if we reaching this, it's getting difficult to go higher. You can see here our ground. Yeah. And that's the point here that many people don't understand, that we are here in a situation that is not good. Yeah. So let's look to higher levels. Yes, it is negative. So we have no chance. Only the possibility to go higher is that we coming to this uptrend here, green. If you see something like that, okay, then we can say, okay, this structure is built here. Then we can go here to 180, but I not calculate this because the uptrend is going too long. Yeah, so it is not so that we, how can I say, uh, that the uptrend will finish. No, we will get here a short break. Yeah, after that the price will start rising again. So it is the point here to catch this. So we're looking here to the next. Okay, maybe we can find here the crypto redo. Redo. Okay. No, I cannot find this. Let's look here to others. Oh, Lisk is good. So, okay. Yeah, at least I have to say here not so much because this list has the same structure like XRP. So if XRP flies, then you know, okay, Lisk will also fly. Yeah, so if you're looking here to this, it is huge. Uh, let's look and to explain you why I think this. We have a huge W pattern here, and you can see with your own eyes that we are at the last fragment here. Yeah? And this is the last sell-off or going here to the downside before the market will go higher. Why this is so? You can see here on the spike this here that give us the information the price will fly. Yeah, so I have not started to analyze this. I see this here from the spiking. This is very easy, but because you can see we test this level the second time. 1, 2. Look to my uh, channel videos, yeah, or become member. Then you know and have a feeling to analyze this by yourself. Yeah. Let's look. We have here uptrend. It's still active. Yeah. That means we are here still in the uptrend. Let's look here in detail. This is interesting. Look, this here is our uptrend, the whole line. Yeah. So here's the question. If we can stay here on these levels here, then the price will fly. If the price drops not below this, then the price will fly like this. Build here our structure. We have here left shoulder, we have here head, the right shoulder is here. This is the positive way. If you see that the price breaks down here, exactly that the price is going like that to the downside, here, $1.20, yeah, $1.34, that the risk for retest is high that we're going for 10 days, not longer, 10 days to these lower levels here, to this test this here, 1, 2, 3, and then we can say, okay, the bull run at least will start because then we finish here the cycle. You can see this really finish the cycle and start the really bull run. You not believe me here at the moment because you have here this, you see, okay, the price is going over the years, $1, $2, $3. You not believe. This is exact the strategy from these whales that you see to the look to the chart and say, oh, the price is here at $1. Why I have to invest? Because the last year is nothing, happened nothing. Yeah. But look here, what happens in the history back. What kind of information you see here? Do you see this? $2.20, $1.90, $1. What happens here? Price breaks up or down, higher levels, yeah, not down, higher levels, and you can see the performance. Do you see this? From $1 to $12, yeah. And this fragment was not the highest fragment. Yeah, this was only a middle. Yeah. But this year, what is coming is not the middle. This will the real bull run, and the real bull run will take us. You can see from $1 to $10. The real bull run will take us here to $50. Yeah, and people don't understand this. Yeah, but it will happen. You can see we will sit here on $50 because we have here the resistance. Yeah? We will sit here, and the next is, I think I calculate after sitting here levels of 150 or $200. Yeah? Because this here is massive. Like Filecoin, XRP, and so on. Look, we going here to the next two. Then we can close. Become member of my channel. I will update this in 1-2 weeks, so you have the newest analyze on this. Let's look to what we have here. Let's look to Fantom. Oh, wonderful. Fantom is also a candidate. You can see I predict the price drop here very well from $2.30 to 30 cents. Now we're sitting here I'm honest to you, this looks like me like a left shoulder. I missed the head. The head is, I think, here at these levels, something like that. So you have here the possibility to short, yeah, the price. And if you build the head here at the end of the year, I think the bull market will start. And we will see here something like that. So let's look. End target here at Fantom is what I see here. I think levels of 12, $16, something like that. Yeah. But let's look here more inside what we have here. Yes, negative. Let me look. Yes, negative. Let me look here to this. Yes, it is negative. Yeah. Because the structure is broke. We make here retest. And the next level is really this. So calculate 20 cent, or if coming very bad, then I would say here 30 cent. Yeah. But I want to look here more exactly. We look. Yes, you can see this here. Look here. This uptrend is broke. Look here. And normally this fragment is the strongest. Yeah, you can see here. Normally we have to go not like this to the upside. We have to go uh, we have to go like this to the upside, and you not see this. This is not happening. You can see the price is going sideways. Danger, and that means the price have to drop to the downside. We will get here a crash. The price will go here to the downside, 30, 40 cent, and after the crash, the price will fly. And next level after the crash, I think something like that, $3. We're sitting here on these levels. Wonderful. Also, perfect. So I make here two, and then I would finish. Become member of my channel. I will update really different cryptos so that you have also the records from other members, and then I can share these videos with you. Let's look. Tron. Okay, why they look not show me Tron? Okay, TRX. So, okay. First of all, I would never buy Tron because the owner of this crypto is a scammer. Yeah, so he was also involved in the FTX crash and offer the customers a curious offer. So I would never buy Tron here. Yeah, so uh, I would not invest here in Tron because this is a crypto in which I would avoid. Yeah, but from the chart technique, it's looked like good because you can see a huge uh, middle fragment is built. As you can see, this also the price has power to the upside. Yeah, this is what we see. But short term, it can happen that a sell-off is coming, so that we can say, okay, we have to retest these levels again. So 50% drop. Yeah. After the 50%, I see a structure like this, and the price has the power uh, to go in direction of, let me look. One possibility is to go here to 30 cent. If coming very good, then I see here 40, 50 cent, something like that. Yeah. But absolute not my favorite crypto. So we're looking into the next grow, and then I will finish again, become member of the channel and get the informations you can request also really short term, write in the comment field, I want this, and then I can make this for you. So this is grow. Also very negative. The negativity is if you look to this, highly danger. We sit here on the uptrend level and you can show you with your own eyes. This is not good. Yeah, if you look, if you see something like that, that the price is uh, playing on this uptrend, yeah, and you can see that the chart is going like this to the downside. It's not a good sign. Yeah, that means you can see something will happen here. I think until 16th of June will happen here very bad things. And it means the price has the possibility to drop really hard to the downside, and then it can happen that we reach these levels again. The benefit, I said this also in the past, also in this video, the benefit is we have to test this level so that we can go higher like this. Yeah. And if this is happening, we can sit on these levels and come to the original path back. The benefit is if we're sitting here, build here our right shoulder, is wonderful. Look here. How beautiful is that? And then the next level, then we can talk about the next level, and the next level is $1.20. Yeah. But this is too early. Too early to say, okay, now long term, okay, you can stay here on this, but short term, I would avoid this. So I would say I finish here, become member of my channel, see to the video analysis, what benefit you can make, become member of the Wolfgang price target or Wolf next price target or Bitcoin club. You have then all the memberships included. It's a benefit for you, a help for you to look. Yeah, also you can mess my analyze with the reality. Look what happens with the Bitcoin price, uh, if the price will drop or not, and then we can look together again the next live stream in which direction the price will go. Let's look here to the Bitcoin price. Maybe the last check before we close. What we have here. Haha! Look what happens. Look what happens. Do you see this? So the prediction what I made. Look, this was begin of the live stream. Look here. Do you see this? No fake here. All reality. Look. Do you see this? This was the prediction, and you can see what happens. Yeah, and you can see the power of this analysis. This was the line what I made before the live stream, and you can see what happens while the live stream. The price is going to the downside. So you see, stay on the channel, be part of the membership, get your analyze, make profits, ask me, write me, make your request, and then we can look to the charts exactly. I would say, have a nice day.